afternoon, everybody. I'm Saiba Chadda Ved. I am a life coach by profession, by choice. Prior to this, I was an auditor with KPMG. And talking about motivation is fun today for me. Couple of years back, it wasn't. Like Alok ji said that, go for it and do things. But yes, the transformation isn't ever easy, right? Uh, Before I start, can I ask you all who all are motivated today? Raise your hands, please. Perfect. The rest of you, less motivated, no motivation at all. What is it? No motivation. Anybody? Less motivation. Okay. Most of you are motivated, right? I didn't ask for what. I didn't ask, but you guys are motivated, right? That is precisely how it is. We are always motivated in life either to do something or to not do something. All right. And, all of us, are we in jobs or businesses, whatever the case is. For job, people been there, done that for 13 plus years. I started very early in my life. I was 17 and a half when I started working. I was studying full time, working part time. And, going back to those days, I feel what was my motivation? I used to get up at 6 in the morning, go to college, study, go to office after that, come back, take tuitions. Then again, of course, there was homework from college, do that. Uh, there was just one motivation. It was fun. I was learning, right? And the smallest of things that we do in our lives are a motivating factor for all of us. Uh, those going to office, I'm sure there are days when you're, all up for it and you have a to-do list and you guys go to office and you tick off all the things that you do. It's a great day, right? You are pepped up and you say you're motivated today. There are days when you put off the alarm clock and you're angry at your boss and दो गालियाँ देते हैं boss को हम लोग and we just don't want to go to office. We take 5 minutes of extra sleep and we dream about going to office today, that particular day, giving in our resignation, going to Thailand forever, and that's a dream, of course. But that is what we do. So we get motivated to take those 5 minutes off for ourselves, right? There is motivation to not go to work and to take 5 minutes off for ourselves. There is always motivation in our life. It is there either for the right thing at that moment or for the not so right thing. Firstly, I don't believe in right and wrong. Whatever you do, there is a reason for it, right? So, I am a life coach. It comes to me on a daily basis that मैम आज तो बिल्कुल ही मोटिवेटेड नहीं लग रहा है एंड मैम उठा ही नहीं जा रहा है बिल्कुल. सो माई क्वेश्चन टू माई क्लाइंट्स इज कि मोटिवेशन मतलब किस चीज़ की नहीं लग रही है आपको. मैम बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है तो टास्क करने का. आपने बोला था ग्रैटिट्यूड नोट लिखने के लिए, वो भी नहीं लिखा जा रहा है. तो मैंने कहा ना लिखने का भी तो मोटिवेशन है. एंड लाइक हाँ मैम मोटिवेशन तो है, ये तो आप सही कह रहे हो. सो इट्स एज बेसिक एज दिस. मोटिवेशन होता है हमेशा उस चीज़ के लिए नहीं होता है जो कि हमारे गोल से कोरिलेटेड होता है, राइट. इट्स वेरी ईजी टू गेट बैक मोटिवेशन इन योर लाइफ सिंपली बिकॉज you can go back to things which are around you, look around where you are, get back to the current place where you are at, right. प्रेजेंट में नहीं रहते हैं हम लोग बहुत फ्यूचरिस्टिक होके रहते हैं, हमेशा गोल्स की तरफ देखते रहते हैं, शॉर्ट टर्म लॉन्ग टर्म वट एवर इट इज़. बट जहाँ आप हैं अगर आप वहाँ वापस आ जाएं, टेक अ पॉज, टेक अ ब्रेथ, स्ट्रेच योर सेल्फ अ बिट एंड think about why you are doing that thing that you wanted to do, right? Go back to your why, go back to your reasons. You will again get that motivation to go back to the right thing as per normal people, right? It's very simple and a basic practice which can always keep you motivated is gratitude. I am a firm believer in gratitude. The more gratitude you pay for things, the more quickly you reach your goals and the more motivated you are. The moment you guys feel low, think of what you have. You have good health, you're alive, you have sunlight, you have your family, you have food, you have water. There are resilient things. जैसे ही आप उस state of mind में वापस आते हैं, you are motivated again. So that's it.